Hi everyone, so today what we're looking at is the next unit of work that you're going to be working on, and this is working towards a qualification that could be added to your CV, for example if you're applying for a part-time job, or maybe in sort of college applications or uni applications for the future. Now it's called an iDEA award, okay, so what I want you to do is to navigate your way onto your computer into Google, type in iDEA award and find the website. It should be the one that comes up first. It's idea.org.uk, okay. Now this is something that's been put together by the Scottish Government, so it's a really secure site and it's all about learning different aspects of computing science and talking about loads of different mini courses that you can work through to gain points and then awards, and then it will actually come together to produce a certificate at the end. Now what you'll need to do in order to be able to track your progress and to gain your points and awards is you will need to sign up by going to the sign up section, okay? Now when you pop in your name, remember this is going to be for school, so please make sure that you're just kind of using your first name with maybe your initial afterwards, okay? So something like this, okay? Pop in your date of birth, whatever that may be. I'm just going to make one up. Type in your email address. Now I would suggest that you type in, that's automatically coming up with my home email address, I would suggest that you type in your Glow email address. And remember, it's at glow.sch.uk. So whatever your username is for logging onto the computer, you're going to use that with your at glow.sch.uk. You've got your country, you've got your password. It tells you some information to say about the password there, where you've got at least 8 characters, at least one symbol, that could be a space, an exclamation mark, question mark, whatever, and at least one number. So you might want a word and then a wee dash and then a number or something. Okay, so type your password in, confirm your password, and make sure that you click on the I agree before signing up. Okay, now I've actually already created my login, so rather than signing up, I'm actually just going to go into the login section, type in my email, type in my password, and click on login. Okay, now this is what it looks like when you're logged in. So it'll start off by taking you to kind of your own section, and you'll see underneath that you've got these 4 different markers that you can build up information on. So you get the Citizen Award, the Worker Award, the Maker Award, the Entrepreneur. The first time you log in, it'll talk you through what the difference between these things are. So if you're more into coding, for example, then maybe Worker, what are you doing? If you're learning about recycling, if you're learning about cybersecurity and attacking and hacking, then you get Citizen points. And it depends on which topic that you do. There's lots of topics to work through. They will contribute to different ones, and what you're looking for is to try and gain 50 points in each of the different sections. Okay, up here you've got your username, so if you've typed in Kimberly J or whatever you've typed in your username, you should be able to see that appear here. You've also got your wee avatar, which you can choose and change based on your own personal preference, whatever it is that you like. Okay, pick one that you like and you can press select, and it'll have a wee GIF that's next to your name. You can obviously add in more of your information if you want to, if you like, so your preferences and stuff there as well. Okay, I'm just going to save that now without updating any of the rest of the information. Oh, it's what my first name and surname. That makes sense because they're going to give me an award, so I'm happy to put that in. Okay, let's save. Okay, so go back to Bronze Award. Okay, so what you want to do is go down to the bottom and you can have a look at all of the different things you can work through. There's obviously information here on the badges as well. So any badges that you've completed, you can download your certificates afterwards. You'll get different badges, and obviously when you work towards, I think it's 250 points you get to get your Bronze Award. And then afterwards, if you want to, you can work towards trying to get the Silver or even the Gold Award. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to have a little look at any of the different things. So perhaps e-safety, setting up social media, brain hacks, talking about cloud, whatever one takes your fancy. You click on it, it'll tell you a little bit about it. It should tell you how many points it's worth. This is quite a short one, it's only worth 5 points. Last one I did was worth 10 points. Again, there's loads of other ones, so there's plenty to pick from. And when you are ready to have a little go, then you press start badge and it'll basically walk through different stuff, and you basically be cartoons, animations, questions to answer, activities to do. And then you start completing all the different things, you gain more points, and you're trying to gain points in every single one of the categories to gain your overall award. So hopefully that makes sense. Have a little bit of fun with it, do the stuff that interests you the most, so don't feel like you have to do the same as what people are doing next to you. Remember, if you're doing lots of easy ones that are 5 points, you'll have to do a lot more than potentially if you go for some of the other ones which are worth bigger points. GDPR, Safe Online, they're worth 10 points. You're trying to gain enough to get 50 points in each of those categories. Okay, hope that makes sense. Enjoy working through some of your online resources, and I look forward to seeing how many of you manage to work your way up to bronze, silver, or even gold awards. Good luck, guys. Speak to you later. Bye.